Hi everyone, you are watching Tekin Santhali. Today I am going to show you how to download the ongoing draft SIR list published by ECI. We will provide a link in descriptions below so that you can directly enter your details and find the data. Watch screen carefully so that you will not make any errors. At first, select any state at which state you belong. Basically West Bengal. I am making this video of this. After selecting a state, options for choosing districts appear. Choose the district correctly of which district record you want to find. For example, I choose to Malda. Then select assembly constituency. After selecting the district, there will be a list of constituency of that district. Belong to Habibpur, I choose Habibpur. Then select a language. Of which language do you want to display the result? I want to display the result in Bengali. After we enter the correct details, there will be a list below as you are able to see the part number and the part name. Choose carefully and look at the screen carefully so that you will not make any mistakes. Find your booth in which number and in what name it is. If you don't find in current page, come to corner of the right side. Click next for the further page and find the booth of your wanted to search. Choose Govindpur Primary School. I want to find the details of this booth. After clicking at checkbox, I will fill the captcha which is shown on the screen. Type correctly. After that, download the selected PDF. Only the selected one will be downloading. You are able to see the status progress. Wait for a few seconds. The list will be downloaded automatically. You can see in screen draft list which I downloaded is shown, and now is the overview. You can see Nirbachan Talika 2026. Scroll below to find all the details of that particular booth. Below the name of the voters, the draft which will be published the final later on. Check your name and help others to find their name just by sharing and liking. Thank you.